So today we're going to take a look at Doro Wot. I'm not going to be cooking this. Rahel's going to be cooking this one. I'm just going to be talking over it. Now I've made this before, but she makes it slightly better than me. And when I say slightly, she makes it loads better than me. So we're going to have a little quick run through this. It takes hours and hours to make, so we're going to make a little short video of this. Okay, so a quick run through of Doro Wot, the king of Ethiopian dishes, I would say. So there's our chicken. Skin's been taken off. It's been washed with lemon and salt. Usually use the leg part, a drumstick, and then the top of the leg. There's a little bit of breast in there as well. Olive oil, kibbeh or Ethiopian spice butter, berbere, which is the spice, the famous spice from Ethiopia. An astonishing amount of garlic. That's all garlic, and it's pretty much all going to go in. This is mekalesha down there, which is a nice finishing kind of garam masala, salt, and then as you can see, a crazy amount of onions. I mean, that is just nonsense amount. It's huge, cut really small. So this is the biggest pot that I've got. I mean, it's like 3 times the size as a regular pot that I use. The heat is on, no oil or anything. First, we're going to put in the onions, and we're going to dry them out for a bit. And like I say, it's an astonishing amount of onions. So the idea here is to cook them. The moisture will come out, then we'll get dry, then we can move on. Okay, so that's been going for about 15 or 20 minutes now. Stirring a lot. You can see the steam's coming out and the onions are starting to sort of dry out and sort of dehydrate a little bit. I think next up we're going to be adding some olive oil into the mix, and we're going to cook that for a little while now. Yeah, just a little bit of olive oil, my God. So that's been going about another 10 or 12 minutes. It's looking amazing. Next up, we're going to add a lot of garlic and salt. And then we're going to go for about another 7 or 8 minutes, I think. Like I say, that is an astonishing amount of garlic. Really, really, that is. There goes your salt. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Back in about 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, so the hard work is about to begin, because we're now going to add the berbere powder, and this really needs to cook out. You can't just throw it in and give it a stir. So this is going to go in, and it's going to be about 20-25 minutes of continuous stirring. You've really got to keep your eye on it, and as it cooks, you need to cook it out, and then you need to add a little bit of water every now and then. Big process now. Okay, so water has been added to that slowly, you know, just like a quarter of a cup at a time. It's looking like something now, isn't it? Next, we're going to put in the Ethiopian spice butter or kibbeh. Nice low heat now. We're going to go for about 20 minutes. Look at that, that's been going for ages now. You can see the oil is separated on the top. It's time now. Look at that, wow. It's time now to get the chicken in, or the Doro in there. This chicken has got the skin taken off and been washed really well with lemon and salt, and then they go. A little bit of breast chicken in there, but sort of 90% leg that's been cut in half, so drumstick in the top half of the leg. So super simmer now, like a super low heat. maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe even an hour. We'll see. Okay, that's been going for half an hour, really on a really low heat. Gonna add a little bit of water now, and we're gonna go for another half an hour or so. Again, on a real simmer, real super low heat, and we're nearly done. Okay, we're nearly done. We're gonna add some more kibbeh or butter. The kibbeh's got loads and loads of different herbs and spices in it. It's not just a butter. We're then going to add a little bit of mekalesha, which is like a kind of garam masala, like a little finishing spice. Never too much of that, just like, 2 or 3 pinches of that usually. A little mix. Wow. It's such an epic dish that takes so long. It's really delicious. And then there's only one more thing to put in, which we didn't show you earlier, but we've got some hard-boiled eggs, and they're going to just be dropped in whole like that. And they've got a little kind of crust just on the top of each one, just a little kind of crust to open it out. That's fabulous. Super fabulous. So that's just going to go, for about another 5 minutes? Yeah, another 5 minutes. And then we'll see you at the table. Delicious. And there you go. That is the national dish of Ethiopia, Doro Wot. Fantastic.